in this lesson we're going to create the player node. Now a player, in this case we will put just a static sprite just for now, but in the future we'll put an animated sprite to make the player animate, walking, idle, running, jumping, this type of thing. But just for now we need to create a new type of node. So in this case it's a scene, new scene, other node, and this time it's a character body 2D. So character body 2D, double click, nothing changes, we double click, we type player. This routine is very important. Again, we need two things, the collision shape. So right click, add child node. In the recent section there's a collision shape 2D. Now this time I'm going to use a rectangle because the player is more of a rectangular type shape. As the player, add child node, we go to sprite 2D, and I've prepared a player image here. I'm going to drag that into the texture slot, sorry, and you can see the player is much too large. So with the sprite 2D selected, and go to transform, and I'm going to try to do 0.25. That looks about right, okay, for the level. Again, I'm comparing it with the actual game area. So next thing to do is just resize the collision shape. So again, I'm going to resize the collision shape roughly. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to this because I want to make certain the collision shape reaches the bottom of the player's feet. I'm not too concerned with the hair just for now. Maybe a little bit higher than that, and we should be fine on that. So I'm going to drag the collision shape back on top of the sprite. That's the player already done for now. So save scene, already player in the scenes folder, and save. Okay, now we need to make certain that we keep our folder organized. So you can see here in the scenes section we got all of the scenes we've saved so far. There's no script yet, we'll do that very soon. So in that particular case we're going to look at animation next, because we've done the easy part, and any of you thinking that, oh, this is too easy, this game programming, no, you'll see that as the complexity increases, you'll see it's a bit more difficult then, but nothing too difficult at all. And this book and video series will actually help alleviate all your worries, and you'll be able to create some really good games of yourself in no time. Okay, so just as a recap, we created a player, and this time it's a character body 2D, because we're going to use the character body in many different ways. We're going to put script on there, and it's going to react to the enemies that we created and also the collectibles. We put a collision shape and a sprite 2D. We saved the player inside the actual scenes folder, and next time we're looking at the animation for the collectible and the actual enemy. So I'll see you then.